spite of the busy schedules, the overlapping of schedules, you're still happy doing what you have done right now. And being identified as writers, illustrators of lesson scripts is a milestone. Because not all are being identified as such. Diba? Your name will be imprinted in the document that you are doing right now. So, it will be distributed and your name will stay forever. Diba? So, if we are happy with what we are doing, then we become productive and we enjoy every moment of what we have done. Are you enjoying?
Yes, I am.
Are you enjoying your stay here in Carlosta?
Yes.
Welcome to the city of the beautiful people. Yes. You are all beautiful because you came from, or you come from, the city of the happiest people.
Ah, beautiful people.
We are the most beautiful because we come from the city of the most happiest people. Because even if you are beautiful and you are not happy, you don't look like beautiful. Because you're frowning.
Yes.
But if you are happy, all the time, you are beautiful.
Yes.
And we are all beautiful.
Oh.
Iba-iba gudla, danay,
Beauty.
and
Beauty.
quality ka beautiful. Pareho kayo itong sexy. Kung gusto ka nga sexy, dapat ang imo sapitan ang mas matambo ka. Di ba? Kaya iba-iba na ito nga degree. Iba-iba na ito nga degree. So, we continue doing what we believe we are happy because in this world, happiness is a choice.
Yes.
If you put into your mind that you are happy, then you continue to be happy. If you believe that you can do it, then we can do it. If you believe that Tacloban City Division will be producing the best lesson scripts for quarter 1, because our assignment is quarter 1 and quarter 4. Okay. I know there is a pressure for our assignment being assigned in the quarter 1 because of the time element. But as I said, if we are happy, we can comply the requirements within the timeline. Diba? Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Oo. And then, being happy alone is not the element to continue moving of what we are doing. We need to have the connection. If you know each other, half of the work is done. We need to connect with our friends because no man is an island.
Yes.
Oo. Dapat may beshi. Oo. Pero ayaw na beshi pag traidor. O di ba? Oo, kay bad ito. Pero danay, may mga beshi liwag na sugal because of the vested interest siguro. But in the end, choose to be kind.
Yes.
Choose to be kind. So we need to have connection. Second is communication. Yesterday, we received a lot of concerns and issues coming from your group. Because of the SBPT, because of the schedule, because of the timeline, I said, in every problem, there is always a solution. So we find solution. We make our job light and easy. Do not make life hard. Do not make life difficult. Because if you are doing so, that is your choice. So choose to be light and easy. Choose to be kind, even if others are not. Choose to be honest, even if others are not. Because integrity is very important. Nobody could get it away from you if you have established the right attitude. Next is we need to have collaboration. What we are doing now is a collaboration because if we do not collaborate, we stick to our mind that we believe we are the most genius in the group. You are wrong.
Yes. True.
Because no one has the monopoly of knowledge.
Yes. Very true.
Do not believe that only those who graduated being a summa cum laude, a magna cum laude, or a cum laude is the most intelligent person. No, it's not. When you deal with life, our Latin honors when we graduated from the undergraduate or the master's degree for that matter, sometimes doesn't work. Because even the most intelligent person do not know how to handle her or his mental capacity. Danay, na-stress kita. Masiring kamo. May mental health issue na. But having mental health issue is also a choice because you are putting negative things into your mind and sometimes it is already overwhelmed with those negative thoughts that is being placed in your mind. Every day we are producing 40,000 thoughts and it's up to you to manage all those thoughts.
Yes.
You can convert all things from the negative to positive. Because that's the only way we can improve our performance. That's the only way we can improve our relationship with other people. Because if we are not open to criticisms, whether positive or negative, you will stay forever where you are right now. So we need to collaborate. We need to ask ideas. Do not believe that you are the most intelligent person in this world.
Yes.
Oo. And do not believe in the appointment that you receive na forever ito. Because you will retire. After my retirement, that piece of paper, what is the most important is to maintain a harmonious relationship and continue making friends.
Yes.
Oo. Diri kay kaaway ang atong padamoon. Kaya mo rin ito after we retire. Masari ang mga, kung mapasyada ka dito merkado, kaya di ba dali napalit kita ng isda, napalit kita ng, ano pa ini? Utan. Oo. Waray na good morning na imo dito ang merkado, kung marami ang imo batasan. Oo, gini-iskipan ka. So, having more friends is also an asset.
Yes.
Yeah, it is an asset. More than the money and the properties that you have right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Because when we go to the other side, bisan piso, waray ka po madadara. Ay, diba?
Waray.
Waray. Pabayaan na natin ito. Waray. So, we continue to be happy even if kulang ang atong kwarta because kulang liwat ang atong financial literacy. Although we are all teachers, but sometimes we fail to manage our finances. Asya ito nga danay nagka-problema kita. So, continue learning because education is a continuous process.
Yes.
It is a continuous process that every day should be a learning opportunity for all of us. Do not believe that you have all the things in the world.
Yes.
Always have an open opportunity that you will be learning every day from the idea of the people that surrounds you.
Yes.
Even if he or she is only the janitor in the school or your job order for that matter. You can gain insights from them because we have different experiences. Pareho ba natin experience? Magkaiba. So dapat, sa kailangan tanan, diri ka away. So if you have issues, if we have issues in Tacloban City, dapat kita raan puro istorya, puro hampang. Diri kay ipadaradayon niya dito 888, dito mapapa, and then ombudsman, at the end of the day, it will go back to the division office. Mabalik ihapon ito. Nahibaro lugod ako. So if you have issues, my office is open to you, open to all of you. For those who are my friends in Facebook, you can message me for your issues. Yeah. you can message me because I believe if
Nagpe-friend
there
request
is
na kayo mo,
open
ma'am.
communication, if we have collaboration, we can
PDF ko,
always
di makita.
find solutions to your
Dako
issues.
kasi ato nga PDF. Dili ito siya kay dako. Ato nga ping andi nga da. Nawawara man.
But I'm happy to be poor, pero di liwat ito.
Ano man ano?
Ang duro pa masulit. Makapalit man na bukas. Pati surat. That
Ay, otro na lang, di mamuntok.
important that we
Awa,
are
nag-inedit mo nga, ni.
satisfied with what we have right now.
Asa naman ang
Because
ginidit mo?
satisfaction, as I said, is in the mind. It is in the mind. If you are not believing in yourself that you are satisfied of your way of living right now, you continue to crave for more. Dili ka doon makutinto. Padayon ka good lang gihapon. Pamiling, sige pangutang, tapos ano ba ang bag ko nga cellphone? Ang high-end nga cellphone. Pero you have already the cellphones. Diba? Nasirin ka mo daan naman na imam. Pare itong bado nga ni. Masirin ka mo nga, wala naman ako bado. Pero tikaan niyo kabinet. Iyo, damu-damuan ang iyo mga bado. Ang iyo asawa, buti lang.
Masala.
True or